In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Printify account. First, open your browser and go to printify.com. This is the home of Printify, a platform that helps you create and sell custom products without holding inventory. Once the site loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually at the top right of the page, and click it to begin. You'll see two ways to get started. If you prefer a quick setup, choose to sign up with your Google account and follow the prompts to connect it. If you'd rather use an email, enter a valid email address, then create a secure password you'll remember. Aim for a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. When you're ready, click Create Account to submit your information. Next, head to your email inbox to verify your new account. Printify will send a confirmation message to the email you used. Open it and click the verification link to confirm you're the owner of that address. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folder. Many services also offer a resend option if needed. After verification, return to Printify and log into your dashboard using the credentials you just created or your linked Google account. The dashboard is your command center, where you'll manage products, orders, and settings. To make sure everything is set up correctly, start by adding your contact details. Look for your profile or account settings and enter your basic information, such as your name and business details if you have them. Accurate contact info helps with billing and support and ensures important notifications reach you. Now add a payment method so Printify can process orders on your behalf. In the billing or payments section, you can choose to add a card or use a balance. Adding a card means Printify will charge it when an order is fulfilled. If you prefer using a balance, you can fund your Printify wallet and have charges deducted from there. Make sure your billing address matches your card's address to avoid declines. Double-check all the information, then click Save to confirm your payment setup. That's it. Your free Printify account is ready. From here, you can explore the dashboard, get familiar with the settings, and you'll be well prepared to start designing products and managing orders. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Printify journey.